Hi, today we are going to cover another type of non-Mendelian genetics called codominance. Now, I want you to think means together. So it's like in a classroom you have a co-teacher, y'all are working together. Another example would be, let's say you have a red flower and a white flower and you cross those two, the heterozygous offspring will be both red and white, so both traits are expressed at the same time. So in our first example today, we want to cross a yellow dinosaur with a black dinosaur. Now the information given in the instructions says that some traits exhibit codominance, some dinosaurs are yellow while others are black. Dinosaurs heterozygous for color are yellow with black stripes. So let's create our key. Yellow dinosaur, so Y gives us yellow according to the information. B would give us black, and then YB would give us yellow and black. Okay, so yellow with black stripes. Now our parents would be yellow, and then the second parent will be black according to the information. And now we set up our Punnett square. So remember, we keep our alleles separated because you can only inherit one each from each parent. Okay, so we're going to go, since we have YB in our key, we're going to keep all the Y's in front in our Punnett square. So the Y comes down, this B comes across, and then we get the same for all of these little boxes in here. So possible genotypes, if you were to do a percent, would be 100% YB. Remember, genotypes are the letters that represent a certain trait, and then the phenotype will be the physical characteristic or whatever you see. So we have 100% of them will be yellow with black stripes. Okay, second question, we want to cross a striped dinosaur with a black dinosaur. Now I'm not going to rewrite the key since it's right here. Okay, but our parents' genotypes, we have striped. Striped would be YB, and then we're crossing it with a black dinosaur, BB. We set up our Punnett square, YB, and then BB, separating our alleles as usual. And then let's fill in this Punnett square. Y comes down, Y comes down, B comes down, B comes down, and then this B comes across, B, B, B. Now remember, these are just the chances that we have certain type of offspring. It's not the amount of offspring that we will have. So the possible genotypes, if we were to do a ratio, we have 2 of these and then 2 of these. So we can do 2 to 2. Or if we were to do a percentage, like above, we'll do 50-50. Okay? So we have a 50% chance of having the genotype YB, and a 50% chance having the genotype BB. Okay? Now what phenotype will I see? And now if I were to, it would still be 50-50, right? Or 2 to 2 if you were using a ratio. Let's do 50%. This would be yellow with black stripes. Oops. And then 50%, and then if you remember, BB gives us black, so 50% chance of having black offspring. Okay, and that is all for today.